Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use few more Notepad tool features in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. Open Groove 2007 and log in with the Groove account and open the workspace that having the Notepad tool. In my previous tutorial, I have shown how to add Notepad pages, navigating between the pages, editing the Notepad page, renaming the pages, deleting and printing the Notepad pages. Now, if you want to export a Notepad page, select the page you want to export. After that, come to File menu and click on Export. In the Export to File dialog box, specify the location and file name for the exported file. By default, Notepad uses the title of the note for the file name, and after that click on Save. Come to the location that we set for the export, and we will get a rich text file that is .rtf, which can be opened in another application such as Microsoft Word. In addition, we can create links to the note pages. Select the note page you would like to link it and come to Edit menu and select the option Copy Note as Link. After this, go to the new location in which we would like to paste the link. For example, to paste the link in a discussion, open a topic and right click in the body area, select paste. Then we will get a link which displays with the name of the tool as the links target. After this, if you want to change the Notepad permissions, at first to see the permissions currently assigned to the member roles, come to File menu, navigate to Properties and select the option tool. Come to Permissions tab. By default, all the members except for guests have permissions to create, edit and delete the Notepad pages. Change the permissions for each role by checking and unchecking in the selected boxes. After that, click on Apply and go to Other role to modify the permissions, or simply click on OK once we complete the permission setting. And we can use following keyboard shortcuts in a Notepad tool along with the standard Windows keyboard shortcuts apply for the Notepad tool. For example, use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V to copy, cut and paste text respectively. Use Ctrl+B, Ctrl+I, Ctrl+U and Ctrl+K to format text in bold, italics, underline or strike out text. Also use Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y to undo or redo your changes. Use Ctrl+A to select all text. And also we have additional keyboard shortcuts for the Notepad tool. Like this, we can use Notepad tool features in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.